Hello, marhaban. Ana name is John. كيف حالك?
Ahlan. Close, but a little mixed up. If you say it like that, it sounds like a broken puzzle.
Oh no! Viewers, stay until the very end because we are going to fix this and put everything into a live native speaker roleplay challenge.
Today, we are starting from absolute zero. By the end of this short podcast, you will be able to confidently state your name, where you are from, your profession, and greet anyone like a pro.
I'm ready. Let's start with the greetings.
Perfect. Let's start with the most standard, universal greeting in modern Standard Arabic. Listen carefully and repeat after me twice. Marhaban.
Marhaban. Marhaban. Does that just mean hello?
Exactly. It's safe, polite, and works everywhere. Now, let's look at the beautiful classic greeting used all over the world. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
Peace be upon you. Spot on. Now, if a native speaker says that to you first, you need to know how to reply. You should say, Wa alaikumus salam.
Wa alaykumus salam. Wa alaykumus salam. And upon you be peace. I love how rhythmic that sounds.
Now that we've greeted them, let's tell them who you are. To say, my name is, we use one simple word. Listen and repeat twice. Ismi.
Ismi. Ismi. So if I want to say my name is John, I just say Ismi Joan.
Perfect. Let's explain why this is so easy for our viewers. In Arabic, the word for name is ism, but when we add the Arabic letter yet to the very end of the word, it automatically changes the meaning to my. So ism beautifully turns into ismi.
Oh, wow, that is incredibly simple. So no matter what my name is, I just say Ismi and then add my name.
Exactly. Let's practice asking the other person their name. If you are talking to a man, you ask, Ma ismuka.
Ma ismuka. Ma ismuka. What is your name?
Excellent. And if you are asking a woman, you change the ending slightly. Ma ismuki.
Ma ismuki. Ma ismuki. Ah, so the ending vowel changes depending on who I'm talking to. Exactly. You're catching on fast. Now let's tell them where you are from. To say I am from, listen and repeat twice.
Ana min.
Ana min.
Ana min.
Ana min. I assume ana means I and min means from.
You are a natural. Yes, ana means I am. Now let's add the country. For example, America is America.
America. America. So to say I am from America, I say أنا من أمريكا. أنا من أمريكا.
Brilliant. Let's give our viewers two more popular countries. The United Kingdom, or Britain, is Britannia.
بريطانيا. بريطانيا.
And Canada is Canada.
Canada. Canada.
Now let's add your profession to make your introduction sound incredibly professional. We already know that I am is Anna, so we just add the job title. If you are a student, you say Anna Talib.
أنا طالب. أنا طالب. I am a student. What if a female student is speaking?
Excellent question. To make it feminine, we simply add a te sound at the end. Listen closely. Anna طالبة.
أنا طالبة. أنا طالبة. That is a very useful rule to remember. What about a teacher?
For a male teacher, we say أنا معلم.
أنا معلم. أنا معلم.
And for a female teacher, we add the same ending. أنا معلمة.
أنا معلمة. أنا معلمة. This is coming together beautifully.
Now it is time for the final test we promised the viewers. I'm going to greet you as a native speaker, and you have to introduce yourself fully using your name, country, and profession. Are you ready?
Let's do it.
Assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام. اسمي جون. أنا من أمريكا. أنا طالب.
MashaAllah, that was absolutely flawless. To finish it off perfectly like a native, you can say nice to meet you, تشرفنا.
تشرفنا. تشرفنا. Wow, I just introduced myself in Arabic.
You did it! And to all our viewers watching at home, now it's your turn. Leave a comment below introducing yourself using the phrases we learned today.
Yes, tell us your name, where you're from, and your job in the comments, and we will check your grammar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our next lesson. See you next time.